Okay, see these letters? Put your finger on each letter and name it. If you don't know the name of the letter, skip it and go on to the next.
M, G, I, Z, R, V, H, B, W, C, X, L, S, D, N, E, J, U, T, Q, F, A, K, P, O, Y.
Very nice. See these letters? I want you to tell me the sound the letters make. Here's an example. This is the letter M. I would say because that is the sound the letter makes. Put your finger on the first letter and tell me the sound the letter makes. If you don't know, you can skip it and go on to the next one. Are you ready?
B, R, W, T, A, J, A, H, K, S, V, E, Z, O, K, F, A, E, J, J, K, N,